The bills will get bigger and bigger, and I'll get less to eat. I'll start losing weight. Then you know what I'll look like?
Yeah, a human being.
You're gonna get yours.
All right, Ralph, read the next devotion.
You'd like that, wouldn't you? Devotion 18. Naomi had told Ruth to go down to the threshing floor, uncover the feet of Boaz, and lay down at his feet. Ruth had responded, "All that thou sayest unto me, I will do." Have you ever found that it is easy to say something, but often much harder to follow through with it? A thing like this would surely fall into that category. So how did Ruth do? Ruth 3:6. And she went down unto the floor, and did according to all that her mother-in-law bade her. When Boaz had eaten and drunk, and his heart was merry, he went to lie down at the end of the heap of corn, and she came softly, and uncovered his feet, and laid her down. Ruth said she would do it. Then she did it. She followed through on her commitment, and that decision resulted in her gaining the desires of her heart and walking into the pages of historical fame. Do be a finisher. Anyone can determine to start something. It takes character to follow through. I like that lesson. Do be a finisher.
Something you're good at, Ralph, at every meal.
Looks like we'll finish this lesson with you on the moon.